What's happening, people? Out of this property in Longridge, working in the bathroom. It's supposed to be out to replace wet wall, remove a small section of the floor that started to rot, but it ended up being a lot more. There was a lot more work required than what was first anticipated. But you see the finished project. So now that's it finished. Wet wall all fitted, shelved back in, scuttle replaced, new bath panel, end up with new floorboards, I'll explain now, but that's that finished. So as I was saying, we were supposed to come out here, just to replace the tiles with the wet wall and repair the small bit of damage, but it ended up being a lot more. Started taking this partition down, the floor underneath it totally crumbled. Big section of the floor, I'll put some pictures up here, you'll be able to see them now. So this image was taken when I first went out to see the job. Snapped a wee image under the bath. That was the extent of the damage you could see when we inspected it. So as soon as we started taking the partition wall down, this is what come away or all crumbled away as soon as we started touching the partition wall. Now the partition wall, the bottom strap was also all rotten anyway, but obviously the floor was actually crumbling away underneath it. So the actual stud wall at the bottom was all rotten. This is the wall that divides the bedroom to the bathroom. So that was all actually rotten away and all crumbling, so that had to all be cut out and replaced as well. So when I went into the bedroom next door to the bathroom, lifted the wee bit of the carpet, and right enough the bedroom floor was also starting to rot. That wasn't as bad as the bathroom, but it was still very soft and spongy. And on top of that, the bedroom radiator had also been leaking, so that had to be fixed as well. So that shows you the extent of the damage that was there. We ended up having to rip the floor out, half the floor out of here, through to next door, replace it. Well, not half the floor, sorry, but probably from here, and the boards are going to be here somewhere. So these boards from this area through to next door had to be replaced. So that was all replaced before we could do anything. So replaced all that bit, built a new partition wall, shower back in, bath back in, all sheeted off, new bath panel, and then the wet wall fitted. And that's this, all made safe. But actually, the downstairs ceiling below, I'd actually grew mould on it. When I'd lifted the floor, I could see underneath it and there was mould growing on it. So that had to then be cut out downstairs, and then the bit of plasterboard replaced downstairs. But that's it, made all safe, all finished. So I think that's us done here.